My first friends here were people from other rooms in my block. So in the first day, we all were a bit shy because we just moved in, we were missing our home. But after a few days, we became really close, we spent time together, and after a few weeks, we became really close friends and we can share our problems or do something together. This place is new, and when we came in, I was surprised that everything works good. We have all we need here. I have pretty good flatmates. One of them is from Myanmar and he's very funny. He's also really helpful and can help you with cooking. Another guy who's from Hong Kong. It's really interesting to talk to him because he knows a lot of unusual things and he can talk about his country, which is also interesting. Our communal area is a place where you can talk to residence mentors. Basically, they're here to help you. They're also organizing different activities like watching films or making cookies or cooking some dishes. Residence mentors are helpful in general and they're ready to make your life easier and better.